Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the key radios and quick share itself so transfers can begin. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then unlock both phones. Make sure you're on the home screen so discovery works. Open Settings, go to Connection and Sharing and tap Quick Share to enable it. Choose a device name and pick Visibility. Everyone speeds discovery. Contacts only is private. Grant any location or storage permissions when the prompt appears. This lets Quick Share enumerate devices and write received files. Once Quick Share is ready, select the items to send: photos, videos, or files from any app that supports Android shares. Tap Share, choose Quick Share, and select the discovered recipient device. Transfer requests appear almost instantly if visibility is on. On the receiving phone, a prompt will show you sender name and file type. Accept it. Make sure to pick the save location if prompted. Monitor the progress bar. Larger files take longer, so keep both screens awake and stay close. After transfer completes, find Files in Gallery or the Files app in the Save folder you selected. If something fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and retry Quick Share. Sometimes re-enabling visibility or reselecting the recipient fixes discovery. For recurring problems, reboot both devices and check for MIUI updates. Outdated system components can break the handoff. Make sure both phones aren't in power saver modes, and keep them within a few meters for stable transfer performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.